And if you're not numb, you tell me, and we'll give you more medicine to make it numb, okay?
Okay. It feels like a rock right now.
Good. All right, a little pressure.
Yeah, I don't feel anything.
Good. And we use this little blade to go all the way down on this side. Doing okay up there still?
Mm-hmm.
And that's what was still in there. And we're gonna just inspect.
Feels weird. Like a burning pressure feeling.
You okay?
I don't know why it just hurts a little bit.
It will, and sometimes when you're watching, it makes you feel it more. Now this is the chemical.
Okay.
It's so quiet.
Yeah, it usually doesn't burn, but it does now.
That happens sometimes. Last one. All right. Put this little bandage on and you are all set.
Oh, that was fast.
It was easy.
That's how they do it in the one.
Well, where are we going to get a milkshake now?
Dairy Queen.
Yeah.
That sounds fun.
The last time, which was like 3 weeks ago, I literally, it was so like